Woo! Hello, good morning, good noon, everyone. And it's still the intro. But yeah, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Gunpla Bear Show. There's a empty box right there. I'm so sorry for that. Okay, and yeah, there's some empty boxes of Beyblades at my back. But yeah, it's not the thing that we will discuss today or we will have on my video. But on my right side right here, and maybe it's on your left on the screen. But yeah, it's on my right here. So we will have an unleashing of these kits, and I don't know what is this. But I think I know. I don't know. But yeah, let's see what will be this kit right here. Let's go. Let's unleash with this cutter, with this small but yet still amazing and can be used cutter. Okay, let's go. Let's unleash. Okay, so we have here your this is a bootleg MGSD Barbatos Lupus, but it says here ASWG-08 Fighter Barbatos, but because it's a bootleg, so they use Fighter, not Gundam. Yep, but it's your Gundam Barbatos in MGSD. And the last video that I have, I think I've unleashed a Gundam Amazing Barbatos Lupus, and right now we have a MGSD Barbatos. So I think I've been haunted by these IBO kits, but yeah, whatever, let's go. And yeah, this is your wow. And if it's a bootleg, I would really like to open it, even it's not yet an unboxing. But I just really want to check the parts because yeah, it's a bootleg. So maybe I hope I will not have it. Some defect parts, I hope I will not have them. But yeah, just for checking, let's go. Let's check it. Okay, let's go. I will just open a little bit. Yeah, a little bit, but I really open it. Oh, okay. So being a bootleg, and being a builder for over more than 8 years already, I can really see that it's a bootleg. But yeah, the quality is nice. The black, it really shows that it's a bootleg. But the white, it's very nice. A very nice kind of plastic. It has also that translucent pink right there. Because yeah, it's a MGSD. It's an SD, but it's on MG type. Oh, nice, man. Very nice. Yeah. The black and the gray. And we also have a water slide decals right here because it's an MG. Even it's an SD. Okay. But yeah, very nice. A very nice kit right here. And let's discuss now on the box. It's not yet an unboxing, but yeah, let's discuss a little bit on the box. Yeah, I will just put it back and right there. So we have here the front one, but yeah, it's not the important one because it's here. The different forms or the different poses that the Barbatos, the MGSD Gundam Barbatos. Yeah, it's not a Lupus, it's just a Gundam Barbatos MGSD. So the movements, its articulation, I hope it's based on the Bandai one. So if you have the Bandai, maybe it's really good. But it's on the bootleg one, it's I think it's only 30 to 40% of the true price in Bandai. So yeah, I think it's only 800 pesos here. But yeah, because I bought this on the overseas, but if you bought this on the local shops right now, because it already has especially on Snapfit Collectibles, Happy Wong maybe. But yeah, go to Snapfit, they really have a nice bootleg kits right there. Yeah, because I already have a sponsor on Snapfit also. But yeah, you just go there and see some of the kits that they have, and their bootleg kits are very low in price and very affordable. Okay, so let's go back on its articulation. I don't know if this one, it is based on the Bandai, but yeah, it's a bootleg, so expect some unexpected things that will happen on your Gunpla because yeah, it's a bootleg. Yeah, so that's why expect like that. Okay, but still, if you can do this kind of articulation, it's very nice, as you can see here. Yep, and another one right here, and one right here, and yeah, this kind of kneeling right there. It's very nice if we can really do it. Oh, nice one. Yeah, so the other side, we can see here that it has the armaments or the weapons, the mace, the gun. Whoa, it's very big, man. Then the sword or the katana of our Barbatos Lupus right here. But as we know, it's not a Lupus, but it's just a Barbatos, okay? It's the fourth form. As I remember, this is the fourth form of the Barbatos, or it's like the complete form of the Barbatos, the very first Barbatos that we have. Yeah, it's the, for me, it's the nicest form of Barbatos. It really gives its devilish look right here. Not like when it has the sixth form, which the sixth form, it's a little bit nighty. It's like a knight already because it gets the parts on the other mobile suits that they have encountered and lost. So yeah, okay, so this figure or the picture right here, the image right here, is like the Barbatos when it has its water slide decals, and this one when it doesn't have the water slide. But yeah, I'm not a fan of water slides, so maybe this will be the form of our Barbatos. But I will give the details that it needs, especially its painting, if it needs some color corrections. But yeah, it's an MG, a master grade kind of SD. So I think it doesn't have a color correction already. Most of it is already color corrected by the separation of the parts. Okay, so yeah, it will go to my backlight priorities right there because I also have the MGSD Freedom already, which here at the bottom of my table. Is it? Yeah, I know, it's on the top right there. Yeah. But yeah, it will go to my backlight priorities because I still have so many kits that I need to build. And then, but if you like to prioritize this kit right here, our MGSD Barbatos, Gundam Barbatos, just comment down there below in our comment section so that if I will receive some comments on that, I will really give you the opportunity to make this Barbatos or the MGSD Barbatos to be built first. Okay, so if you want, just comment down there so that I will have this one first. Okay, so that's it. That's our unleashing of our Gundam Barbatos or the MGSD Gundam Barbatos, and it's, I don't know what is the brand for this one. Yeah, I don't know, so I will just check it on the store that I have bought this one. Okay, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like these kinds of contents, videos and contents, please do consider to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell to be informed for our next videos and contents. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Jay Lapaya signing off, and Contour Show signing off. Unboxing, no speed build because it's a bootleg, so we'll have a live build for this one next time, and a quick look, and the very most important one is our full review of this kit. That's it. Thank you and goodbye. Peace out. Bye. Woo! So if you reached this part of my video, please comment down there below hashtag Jake the Gunpla Reviewer and get the chance to be shout out on our next video. Okay, that's it. Thank you and peace out.